Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, jump in right into the market today in crypto, Bitcoin. Real quick, before we jump into this technical analysis, Bitcoin, I've got some altcoin setups to help you make some profits towards the end of the video. Some important news that moves the markets. Remember, I'm giving away $500 in Bitcoin in 5 days. All you have to do to enter to win is subscribe to the channel. Thousands and thousands of people watch these videos every day, and they're not subscribed. Hit that subscribe button, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. I'm going to choose a random comment over a 7-day period. Side note, this is also April Fools. You guys are going to see some crazy news stories today. A bunch of nonsense, right? A bunch of crypto nonsense. Nothing new, always nonsense in crypto, but even more outlandish nonsense today. So just be on point. Bitcoin 4-hour chart. All right. So Bitcoin broke out and retested this bull flag. Okay. The measured move here is 64,700. Okay. It's going to be tough for the bulls to break this previous all-time high. It's around 61,500. Bitcoin, we're going to zoom into the lower term time frames. Like, what exactly is Bitcoin doing now? It's easier to kind of react than predict on this one. It's just really choppy. I think everybody's long right now, and you can see like by these big massive wicks, like this market makers are just trying to shake everybody out, over leveraged longs and shorts, right? So be mindful that, I mean, the scenario, which may be short term bearish, would be a pullback down here and then a bounce, and you would look to buy a pullback like that, or load up on these altcoins, which we're going to talk about. We got an epic altcoin season coming. Basically, it's possibly started. So if this plays out, you're looking to add some altcoins and potentially Bitcoin. If you get a break higher here, you're going to, it's tough to say, hey, buy right here, because you're essentially buying before the breakout. But if you get a breakout and retest of all-time high, it's a lot safer entry as far as that goes. This is the 2-hour chart. And so, I mean, this could be an ascending triangle. The most important thing is if this lower trend line doesn't hold, it'll confirm a possible double top. Definitely if the support doesn't hold right here. And then we get this move down to the downside like we talked about here. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, $2,000 he started with. He officially increased his portfolio to $100,000 thanks to you. And he 50x'd his portfolio, and just talked about, hey, I had to watch the videos. I watched the videos, and since then, freaking things took off. Listen, 99% of everyone that joins the group has never traded before. That's why I get so excited, so pumped up about these, because these are brand new traders. Shout out to this person. I 6x my money in 6 weeks. Life-changing money for sure. This person said, I used your setups and made $25,000. The bottom line is this. Altcoin season's here. I mean, potentially, I've got some ideas that'll build the case that it's starting now. Like, we've got, definitely over the next month or two, we've got some amazing altcoin upside if things continue to play out how they are. This is the biggest financial opportunity of our lifetimes, period. We're about to make some amazing profits in these altcoins over the coming months. You do not want to be the one that looks back on this time period and thinks, man, I wish I would have taken time to learn more about this market. I wish I would have made the most of it. I can help you. I'm going to make sure you're in the best and most profitable coins the entire bull market. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, if you pay in crypto right now, it's 50% off. So go to my website, cryptorev.net. Guys, remember TRX, old YouTube video. Let's see what TRX is talking about. Buy the breakout of this level. 27,000 people saw this. 46% profits in one day. I mean, this thing just moon mission. This is FLM. I posted this trading group on the 8th of March. 125% profits in 23 days. This is BTT. There you go. 51% in 5 days. I posted this in group and I said, oh, here's the setup on the 26th. And then I said, hey, watch BTT. It's Justin Sun had an amazing day. He's his Win project, WinK, TRX, JST, like his coins are mooning. So you have to remember, we talked about, like, sometimes people will be like, the Chinese coins are pumping, and people just FOMO into all the Chinese coins, or the privacy coins are pumping, or DeFi is pumping, or NFTs are pumping. A lot of the people in this market that don't know how to trade, they look for any type of commonality, and we should too, right? And so if people are all FOMOing into Justin Sun's coins, well then, hey, you know what? Find a good tactical pattern, which we had this. You know, we had these patterns before this happened, right? They all pumped at the same time. Elon Musk, SpaceX is going to put a literal Dogecoin on the literal moon. Doge pumping immediately. I think it was up like 20-something% last time I checked. $6.46 million in Doge were bought immediately after this tweet pump by Elon. Tezos has news. This is called KuCoin. Listen, they need a rebrand already. They just launched and they need a rebrand. Like, come on, who comes up with this? Who's marketing KuCoin? I can't even freaking say it. All right, look, KuCoin launched. Listen, this is essentially like a copycat of Uniswap, right? So they've created their own little DEX. This is on Tezos. So, I mean, good news for Tezos. Tezos saw a bounce because of this. Reef came out and they said, hey, the testnet's going to be live in 5 minutes, and it did go live, right? The testnet countdown. The launch was the 31st. This thing was kind of a dud, Reef. Like these mainnet run-ups or testnet run-ups or airdrop run-ups, you got about 36% gains over a 3-day period right here. But then it sold off a couple days ago, right? So remember, it's buy the rumor, buy the hype. They have this launch, they have this testnet launch, they have this testnet launch, buy the hype, but then sell before the news. Traders take profits. Again, buy the rumor, sell the news. It's how it works. 99% of the time, that's how it works. Right, so Theta, we got to talk about Theta. So Theta mainnet 3.0 is coming. They push it off till June. Not amazing. I mean, you want to see them hit their dates. It's supposed to be April the 22nd. They push it off to June the 30th. So they've got a ton of other news coming end of June as well. So mainnet, line DApp integration, version 2 edge compute. So write this down. They've also got Theta app for Ledger and Trezor. Again, some more news coming later on in the year. Theta, the bottom line is this: Theta needs to show up and bounce here. You just got a bearish cross of the 21 and the 50 on the 4-hour chart. And then now these are going to be overhead resistance as well. So again, if you're in Theta, just understand this idea. IOTX, the next evolution of IOTX blockchain's almost here. Get ready for mainnet version 1.2. It's coming in April. No exact date given. A lot of times it happens at the end of the month. This is Bitcoin dominant. So I'm going to build the case for altcoin season coming soon. Potentially it's started, right? I mean, when this has been trending lower and going sideways, we've been getting a ton of amazing altcoin movement out of these small and micro cap coins we've been trading. The smaller cap, So now all the large cap, you'll notice the large caps are moving. Ethereum took off. TRX took off. Neo had some positive price action. Link, I've got Link set up in a second. So the altcoins are acting different, right? We've got a lot of larger caps moving. And so we're going to, definitely make note of that idea going forward. So now Bitcoin dominance dropped below 60%, which hasn't happened in a while. Altcoin season headed in the right direction, as long as this is trending lower. If you get a bounce here and a retest and then downside continuation, that's even better confirmation. This I talked to you about previously. This is Alt Perp. So this is a basket of Ethereum, EOS, Bitcoin Cash, BNB, Litecoin, XRP, TRX, DOT, Link, ADA. This is a bull pennant. And I said altcoins look bullish in April. Now, potentially this is breaking out. So even on a Bitcoin pullback, I mean, this would just come back down and retest and then boom, move to the upside. I mean, there's some upside. I mean, look at this parabolic price rise and then bull pennant and then breakout higher. All right. So again, building that altcoin season case. This is altcoin market cap dominance. It broke out. Look at this trend line. Perfect trend line was being respected by this price action. And then here, broke out, ran up to resistance, and I think it has pulled back here. But again, you get a retest, and then boom, continuation to the upside. When Ethereum's moving, altcoins take off a lot better, right? Bitcoin dominance drops. Ethereum makes up a huge part of the altcoin market cap. Okay. I talked previously about the short-term downtrend. We have to assume that this continues in this pattern until it doesn't. Well, guess what? Broke out to the upside, and then it broke this trend line. Now at this overhead resistance level, see this resistance level? All right, so even a break here would give, essentially a retest at all-time highs. Now, when Ethereum is able to break above this $2,000 level, right? Targets are over here, 2,100, 2,200, 2,350, potentially $2,600 Ethereum based on this idea. Now, this is going to take time to play out. Remember, Ethereum is an extremely large cap coin. Okay, takes a bunch of money to move it. Now, you do have overbought RSI. I mean, and it wouldn't be amazingly surprised to see a pullback retest and then boom, continuation higher. But Ethereum breaks out above this previous all-time high. That's definitely good entry, especially if you get a retest here, move to the upside. Link, you guys remember Link, 26,000 people saw this, talked about this small falling wedge. Link BTC at support as well. This is on YouTube on the 28th. Okay, looking for Link moves based on this idea. And you see Link did break out of this BTC pattern. Well, what you can do is go to Link USDT and you can find some confluence. Found a pattern over here. I'm watching for this retest. Actually, this is a breakout of this trend line. Right, so if you get a bounce here, an upside continuation, that'd be a good spot to enter Link. I mean, this has to hold. Right? You don't want to see it go back into the pattern for Link, but I mean, Link's undervalued at this point. I mean, looking for $36, $39, $43, $47 Link. Okay. This is ANKR, buy the breakout. So you got a falling wedge, 68% chance this breaks to the upside. Hasn't happened yet. Bitcoin's been all crazy and choppy. So again, buy the breakout of this pattern. This is OMG. You've got this cup and handle type pattern. It broke out, had some volume come in. Now I'm watching for a retest right now. You could buy the break above this level here, but again, watch for this retest to be confirmed. Bella Protocol. So Bella had some volume came in, broke out of a rising wedge to the upside, bullish. Look for a retest right here. I mean, potentially, the way these rising wedges, when they break higher, you get parabolic moves to the upside. So make sure, keep an eye on Bella. So we know that, Bitcoin threw a wrench in this entire party with this pullback right here. But like I said, this thing rolls over. It's buy the dip party, right? We buy dips. We buy the pullbacks. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.